In today's video, I will walk you through how to fix "This plugin is not supported" in Microsoft Edge. Want to get most out of this tutorial? Sign up using the link in the description below, and let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Then, click the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. In the Settings page, click Default Browser from the left sidebar. This section contains compatibility options for websites that require older browser features. Look for Allow Sites to be Reloaded in Internet Explorer mode and turn the option on. If prompted, restart Microsoft Edge to apply the change. Once Edge has restarted, open the website that was showing the "This plugin is not supported" error. Click the three dots in the top right corner, then select Reload in Internet Explorer mode. Edge will reload the current website using Internet Explorer compatibility mode. After the page reloads, check whether the plugin or website feature now works correctly. This can help with older websites that still depend on legacy Internet Explorer technologies. If you don't see the Internet Explorer mode option, make sure the setting is enabled in Default Browser and that you're using an up-to-date version of Microsoft Edge. That's it. You've now learned how to fix "This plugin is not supported" in Microsoft Edge. Click the link on the description below. Thank you for watching the video.